Hello, everyone. This is a quick little introduction into week 10. Week 10 involves, well, effectively just creating tables and lists. The project builds on the two assignments, and I just want to point out a couple of things here real quick that have been pointed out previously, but still. There is a solution file. You can find that here. And should you open it, you'll get a rough example of what the final result should kind of look like. It's obviously in PDF format, but you get the idea. And of course, you get a start file. Now, as usual, make sure you save it to your documents or somewhere. If you happen to save it in a place, that's not documents, like the OneDrive or something, you may not be able to turn it in. I've had more than I can count people who've messaged me saying they turned it in and it gave them a 0. Well, if it gave you a 0, you turned in the wrong file. You may have clicked on it, it downloaded it to downloads, and when you saved it to OneDrive or something. Well, if that's the case, then you can't turn it in. So just keep that in mind. Let's see here if I can. Also, when you're doing this, keep in mind whenever you're in a table, you get 2 extra menus up here. Repeat, convert to text, sort, all that stuff is going to be in those extra menus, and you're only going to see them when you click on the actual item there. And there will be a couple of parts where they ask you to, convert things to a table or something like that, or convert a table back to some text. You'll see things like that. Or make different lists. If you want to promote, demote, that's right up here where we do increase indent and decrease indent. And converting to tables is under the insert. You'll see there's a table there with an option. You should have seen those in the assignments, but if you forget, they're there. You can also go up to help and search for things, and it should tell you where certain menu options are. If you happen to be using a Mac, things are in different places. I would honestly encourage you to use a PC if you can. The final exam, the test, will typically be done, and it's going to be modeled after the PC version. So you might want to get used to where things are in that particular version. And that's essentially it. Once you submit, you can, if you mess up or anything, you can submit again, up to 50 times. So you can always get all the points if you make sure you do everything. If you have any questions, any comments or concerns, please let me know, and I'll do anything I can to help answer any of your questions.